We talked last time. We talked about this 620 million market. Is that just a population number, or is this a market that has a propensity for getting engaged with medical cannabis and some of the products that you're doing in consumer goods?
Yeah, so one of our biggest data providers, we study these markets intensely. Out of that 620, there's about 68 million people that fit the profile of a cannabis patient. So that's about 6 million people in Colombia alone. That's a tremendous market. Colombia is 50 million people, Canada's only 35. So we really focus in on those numbers, and then we break it down from there by condition, location, socioeconomic conditions, because people have to have the ability to pay in many cases.
Well, if you're a Coca-Cola, you look at 6 million and say that really doesn't matter because that's a small market, but you're saying in the medical cannabis, this means something. It's material.
It's a massive market, and also, because of demographics there, people are very much more predisposed. And then we've gone even further than that. Before we even spent $1, we surveyed hundreds and hundreds of doctors. If you had medical cannabis available to prescribe today, would you prescribe it? 3.5 out of 5 said yes, and that's still the answer. That benchmarks against about 2.5 out of 5 in Canada.
So what caused that? Why do you think that you've got the majority of doctors that are already have this sense of this could be the kind of solution that I want to give? This is the kind of protocol I want to prescribe to my patients, because it's still a fairly new area of medicine.
Well, we show them a lot of data. There's tons and tons of systematic data. We have a top medical team. At the top of that is Dr. Maria Fernanda, who's based in Mexico City for us, leads a lot of our patient education. We've got a whole team that goes out and just shows the evidence. A lot of people can just say, hey, it works, just give it a try. That doesn't work for doctors. We have to show them, we have to display the facts, and we can do that over and over and over again. We're getting very, very good at that part of our job. The second part is, culturally, people are just more predisposed to organic, homeopathic remedies. It's more of a cultural thing in Latin America.